Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with video, and what we're going to be going over, guys, is this new app, what's called Video App Suite, yeah? And it's 8 high quality video apps for the price of one. Now I'll show you how we can sell these videos on different various sites where people come to, where traffic comes to you to buy them, and then I'll also show you a bit more in depth of these apps, yeah, and we'll go over a couple of them, yeah. So this is the sales page slash JV page where you come and find out about it. It's basically 8 different apps. Some of the apps, you've got your intro, outro, where obviously you can make videos for like before and after your videos. You've got the Cover Pro, where you can build Facebook videos. So instead of having your normal pictures like everybody else, you can go above and beyond and make cover for videos. Stand out, guys. Showcase your products on your page and all your loved ones. Then software number 3, or app number 3 if you want to call it that, is live mockup, and it's you add your logos to live moving videos scenes, yeah, to grab the attention. And then number 4, guys, is slide machine, yeah. So you create videos with slides, customize elements, and add your own text and images, yeah. So a bit like a slideshow, but you can add extra features. Number 5, guys, is Story Monarch, where you can create Instagram and Facebook story videos. Very simple, guys, a couple of clicks and you've got one straight away. Number 6 is Whiteboarder. Now I know these are quite old and not very in, but it's an extra software, guys, for the price of one. You might as well get it as well. It's basically where you create commercial style videos, but like it's like people as if they're drawing on the screen. And then number 7 is the one I like, guys. It's you can create square video ads that are popular, yeah. So if you want to create video Facebook ads and stuff like that, create these square videos and stand out more, because you can put like extra features like emojis and all that standing on it. And then you also get video FX, yeah. So you can upload your own videos, and then you can add whatever you've created in any of these other apps and add it towards them, yes. And you can add like different effects like your text and lower thirds, the animations. So yeah, it's quite good, guys. If you're gonna, like, I'll show you at the end if you want to buy it and that, but they sell it, there's 2 different prices, guys. And if you buy the video suite, yeah, just a commercial one, then you just get these here, guys. I'll let you read it on the screen. But if you upgrade, I think it's for an extra $20, you get the business box, which means you're allowed to resell the software, yeah. So all these individual apps, you can sell them individually and then easily make your money back. If you buy it, you've got, they'll give you 8 sales videos as well for each individual app. They'll give you the sales pages, so you don't even have to create that. You just put it on. You can resell them to unlimited users and unlimited hosting, storage, and maintenance of the apps, guys, yeah. So it's like it says here, mind-blowing, packed 8-in-1 software. And then obviously there's a demo video if you're on the page. These are some of the software what they've already made in the past, and these are the sales and that. So if you've heard of any of these, then you know it's coming from a good team. What else am I looking at? Yeah, so these are the prices, guys. I'll show you now. For the front end, which is just the commercial one without the resell rights, it's $47, guys. And for an extra, yeah, it is actually, for an extra 20 for the business box, where you're allowed to sell them and get the sales videos and the sales pages, it's 67. Now OTO1, yeah, you get the white label and 4 additional businesses. So I will show you these businesses because I actually bought this, and I will show you like what extra you get with it, guys. OTO number 2, you get 2 different softwares what help you find more traffic. Now I'm not going to go over this today. If you want to know more about it, please get in touch and I'll let you know, because I also bought this. And OTO Free is Video App Suite Agency and Done For You Video Store. So basically all the videos you can create, you can have your own like website and sell those videos on it. And but this is already done for you, so you don't have to mess around creating and adding them videos. You just basically, if you buy this, it's already done, like I said, done for you. And then also number 4, guys, is the template club, guys. So basically you get more templates each and every week. Yeah, so it's more about the front end, guys. I'm trying to show you. So some of the sites you can go to, guys, is Fiverr. Now look at this. These are making, I've just typed in intro videos, guys, and these people are making intro videos, and you can see this starting at like £29, £63, £122, and like some of these, they've got over 1,000 sales, guys, and he's getting 5 rating. So it's quite a lot. I mean, come on Fiverr, type in intro, and let's have a look at some of these, get some ideas. Yeah. And then another site, guys, is a site called Conquer. Now these don't seem to have many people buying on here, so but there's no, I mean, if you look at your intros and that, spokesperson, whiteboard, so you've got your whiteboard, your explaining videos, spokesperson testimonials, and lots of different ones you can add on here, guys. Yeah. I'll just have a look now if yeah, so these got more people looking at these, so you can come on here, get some ideas, guys, sell them on here. Now another one what I like, guys, is a site called People Per Hour. Yeah, and these are selling like a 10 or 15. Yeah, and these are all these are doing is creating these videos, what I'm going to show you in a minute. Yeah. It's quite very simple to create, and then they just upload them to these, and then once you upload them to these sites, guys, you can just sit back. Yeah, I mean, you can send traffic to these sites if you want, but people are on these sites all the time looking for things for their businesses. So once your stuff's up there, you can concentrate on all other stuff on your business, and then people can just come on to here and buy them. Yeah. Now I'm going to jump in. This is what it looks like when you first jump in, guys. And if you buy the upgrades, I'll show you now. If you buy the upgrades, it comes up in a box. Here, like here, see, I've bought all the upsells, all the OTOs. I've bought them all. Like, so if you ever want any information about it, I can discuss it with you and talk about it. Let's just go back now, guys, and I will jump in. So you get lots of training, support, and then obviously my deluxe ones. But here they are, guys. So you get the intro, outro, the cover pro, mock up, and as you see, I bought the $6-7 one where I can sell the businesses, so I can sell them. But these are the extra ones, guys. You get Realtor Video Machine. Don't know if you get the OTO one with the 4 extra businesses. You get the Realtor one, you get the Motion Text Animator, Healthcare Video FX, Local Video Turbo, and then you also get Sales Video Builder and Image Magic, guys. But we're not going to go into these 4 and the 5th one, 5. We're just going to go into some of these, yes. So let's just go into intro, outro, and I'll show you how quick and easy it is, guys. I will leave the link in the description below. So if you want to go to the sales page and have a look at it and buy it, then by all means have a look, guys. So yeah, you can see there's quite a few selections already made, yeah. And all you do, guys, is just, if you scroll over it, it'll automatically start playing, or it should do. Or if you click it, yeah, you click it and then it'll come up like this. The internet's running a bit slow. These are short videos, guys. Like I said, all you do, add a few things to it, and then upload them to Fiverr, Upwork, places like that, guys. If you buy the OTO 3, I think it is, or the 4th one, where you get these done for your website, then you can upload all these videos. These videos will all be uploaded, sorry, and you don't have to do all that. You can just sit back and send people to the website, and hopefully they buy them. I don't know why it's not showing the picture. I'm not sure why it's not showing the picture, guys. Let's just see if I've right, since we've been loading it. There we go, guys. So yeah, it's like this. So say if I wanted to create this one now, you just click create video, set up the video editor. And then as you see, simple, you add your image, add a tagline, yeah? So you could say, hold on a minute. If you want to, you know, so I've done nothing in my library, so you could go to Pixabay, go to Flash, or you can go in your own, and then just click, saying you can't do without an image. Find what image you want, guys, you upload it. You pick which colours you want, guys, or if you want the same, just press next. You choose what, you've got a very good selection of different tunes or songs and that you can play. Yeah, I'm just going to keep the same one. And then you press start rendering, guys, and that's it, guys. And then it'll download. When you're finished, it will go into where it says projects, and I think I've already got some on this. Well, that's the one, guys, yeah? If you don't want it, you delete it. And that's about it, guys. It's a short video. I just wanted to show you, like I said, you scroll over it, it'll play. Yeah. So, yeah, so you create these. If you don't want to buy the OTO, the OTO 3 with the with the done for you video store, then you just don't need to, guys, because you can just buy. You'll need the front end. Oh no, if you don't want to sell the apps itself, guys, just buy the commercial, the $47 one, guys, and then you can sell them to Fiverr and all these other sites. Yeah. If you want to sell the actual apps as well, guys, which then your clients can design their own videos and that, then you need the $67 one. Yeah. So, guys, that's it for today. Please get in touch if you want to find out any more. If you want me to go through any of the other apps, let me know, guys. I'll even go through the OTO one if you want, guys. Yeah. Like I said, there's training for them all, but get in touch, guys. And I'm Jay Roberts. This is Building My Empire. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.